Hi, I am Varsha. I am R&D formulist at Foodsure and today I am going to make Mixberry smoothie. So these are my weighed ingredients. This is Mixberry pulp consisting of raspberry, blueberry, blackberry and banana pulp in it. This is apple concentrate and lemon concentrate which enhances its shelf life. And these are my weighed seeds and nuts. Almonds, chia seeds, hemp seed powder, pumpkin seeds which I am going to add to my smoothie. So I am going to put these ingredients in the blender.